Hey guys, so we've got a sword and shield break here to open up for y'all, and I'm pretty excited about it. This break was for Cool Squirtle Gaming, and super thankful that he was patient and everything with everything going on, and the post, we had a little bit of technical difficulties, but we got it all worked out now, and you guys are going to get to see me open up a bunch of packs, which I am so excited for because it's been so long since I've opened packs, so you know, we're getting into it already. Sorry, I showed the code there. I know. Anyway, I had to do the voiceover on this video because I was weird and couldn't sleep at like 2 a.m., so I did the opening at like 2 a.m., and I didn't want to wake everyone in the house up. So, anyway, that's where we're at. Nice reverse there. And the rare. Oh! First pack magic. Look at that full art. First pack magic. Holy goodness. Holy shoot. Gonna sleeve that up there. And get that protected for transit. Very nice. So excited about that. What a great pull. Centering looks really good too. So anyway, if you guys want to buy a break, I am going to be moving them from my eBay store to my website. I'll have a link to it in like the description down below and from my Instagram and stuff, so you guys can find it if you want to check it out. I pretty much just sell it at cost, and honestly, it's just so that I can have some more content to make and stuff. Ah, dang it, I showed you guys the code again. Alright, gonna do the card trick there. So yeah, you know, obviously you don't have to buy breaks, but if you're interested in that, you can definitely check it out. And we'll have some more cards to open on the channel too, so win-win for everybody, you know? Gotta heat more. Drizzile. Ordinary Rod is pretty playable, actually. Nice reverse there. Just a common. And a Hollow Rillaboom V. Nice! The Rillaboom deck is pretty great. The ability on that Hollow card is a pretty dope ability too. If you already play like the theme deck and then you're wanting to play like an adapted version of the theme deck, it has a great ability. I was gonna try to double sleeve that, but decided just to set it off to the side there. Don't worry, I will protect it in a bit, but for the sake of recording, I don't want to take up too much time just like sleeving stuff, so. Okay, really slippery cards, they're going everywhere. Good grief. Alright, I think this is pack number 3. Alright. Sweet. Got another green and white code there. So looks like we're going for a good pull here. Not too bad. It's like, I can't believe we've had 3 for 3 already. Ghastly! One of my favorite Pokemon ever. Fly away, bird, fly away. Just kidding though. When it's someone else's cards, I don't actually throw the cards. If it's my cards and I'm opening them, then sometimes I throw the cards. Like Real Breaking Nate does. Ooh, Metal Saucer. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. What just happened? No. Yeah, alright, so you might hear me whispering a little bit in the background there. That was the original audio when I originally opened this at like 2 a.m. So, anyway, no judging. But yeah. Oh my gosh, like the rarest card in the set, and we're only 3 packs in. Like perfect centering too. Oh, what a beauty. Pack number 4.
Let's see if pack number 4 has any magic for us. Not open up there. Ah, the code card got stuck. Alright, we'll just give that one to you because I wasn't sure if you guys saw that code or not, so we'll just give it to you guys. Alright. Doing that pack trick there. Let's see if we can get another winner here. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, let's go. Another metal saucer there. Very nice. That's gonna go really well with that Zacian. If you're into deck building, I'm not really sure. Some people are more deck build. Whoa! Another one? Anyway, some people are into deck building and some people are not so much. So, you know, whatever floats your boat is Pokemon. You know, it's like whatever reason you love Pokemon for is just fine. You can love Pokemon for whatever reason you want. Shake that down to the bottom there. That's really pretty. Nice VMAX card there. Really good centering too. Surprisingly. Really, really nice centering.
No way.
Still can't believe we bought that. I'm so jealous. Make sure everything's stacked up nicely. Alright, next pack here. So we've got 4 for 4 so far, I think. Aw, green code. Bummer, man. Yeah, alright. We'll just go straight through this one. So let's see what we can get here. Nice reverse. Roserade is the rare in that pack. Energy. And there we have it for that pack. Move on through the next one. Lapras pack. Lapras. Just getting this stuff opened up here. Let's see what we can do. Full picks. Nick it. That's a nice one. Oh, just Creamery. Sashi and pack. Set that right there, put the wrapper to the side, and get that code card off there. Chin Chow. Galarian Zigzagoon. Kind of looks like a skunk. Am I the only one that thinks that? You guys will have to tell me in the comments. Energy. Aurora Energy. Very nice. Very nice. Heatmore. Ooh, a Gengar. One of my absolute favorite Pokemon. Sleeve this dude up. Give it a nice home, you know? I love that shine on this card. That is amazing. Getting that next pack. Oh yeah! Woo! Just taking that code card off there. Finally kind of figured out how to do that without totally taking all the cards off the camera, so you guys are like, are you faking your pulls? I mean, you could ask Cool Squirrel Gaming too when he gets his package, because obviously I didn't fake my pulls, guys. But anyway, like, I see the whole debate of, like, people thinking that you fake polls, and I don't like the people that fake their polls, because that's lame-o. Don't do that. Corvusire. Ooh, another holo. Look at that. Looking good. Toxicroak. Sleeve him up. Boop. Going in for another one. There's gonna be a mountain of wrappers when I'm done. You guys probably saw that code. My apologies. I try to keep it so you guys don't see them, but, yeah. I mean, on the upside, it's always kind of a good sign when you see those, white codes, you know? Energy. Hop. Ooh, another full art. Look at that. Get another hard sleeve to put this guy in. There we go. Just like that. Oh, missed. Slide it right in. So, just showing you guys what we got so far. We got the Zacian gold card, which is beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. We got the Celebi V full art. Really amazing, honestly. We got the VMAX there and the full art bead. And then for our hollows, got 3 hollows in this break with a Toxicroak, a Gengar, and that Rillaboom with a really nice ability. But just one second. I have one more pack that I've been hiding away. It's a pack that I've had in my desk drawer for a while. Because it's just like a random single pack, and I didn't really want to do a video with just a random single pack, so, anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna rip that open. Sorry, I'm getting it out of the envelope because it did have an address on it, and I didn't want you guys to see it, my home address and stalking me, because people are weird and, you know. Got it. So, this is just my pack, just to remind you guys. This is not part of the break. It's just the extra pack that I had. So here we go. Just getting this last pack open here. Ooh, a Celebi V! Sweet! I am happy to add that to my collection. Let's leave it up. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video.